In VueJS, the provide and inject functions are a pair that allows us to define and consume dependencies in a component tree. We start by requiring them from the Vue library. Here we have a parent component. Inside its setup function is where we can define the values that we want to provide to the child components. We can call the provide function with two arguments, a key and a value. We've provided two separate values here, provided value 1 and provided value 2, each with its distinct string. Alternatively, we can organize multiple values into an object and provide that object under a single key, in this case provided values. This can make the code cleaner, especially if you have many values to pass down. Now let's define a child component. Within its setup function, we're going to use the inject function to access the values provided by a parent component. We inject the values separately using the strings provided value 1 and provided value 2 as keys. These keys must match the ones used in the provide function from the parent component. After injecting the values, we can use them within the child component. Here, we simply log them to the console to demonstrate that the values have been successfully injected. Alternatively, we can inject the provided object using its key provided values and destructure it to obtain the individual values. Once the object is injected, we log the values it contains to the console. Finally, we return these values from the setup function so they can be used in the template or other options of the child component.